You are going to love the 2015 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort. It offers more interior room than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.